so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, and look at this. This is a tank. Yeah, I think we should fill it up with water to right about here, and then gather items. So then we can put them in the tank with the water and see if the items will either sink or float. Let's fill up the tank with water first, all right? Whoa, this is a lot of water. Here we go. Water. Okay, I think we should put a little bit more in, all right? Okay, open this up. Here we go. Whee! And one more. Here we go. How about that amount? Perfect. All right, so now let's go get some items. I am so excited to find all of these items. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, look, a tote and an alien board. Whoa, I'm gonna stand on this so then I can go super fast and find a bunch of items. All right, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. All right, here we go. What a beautiful day it is. I am so excited to find what items we find. Look, whoa. We have some marbles. Yeah, I wonder if these will either sink or float. Yeah, and some shiny, glittery goo, slime. That's gonna be cool. All right, let's go. Whee! This is awesome. Watch, I'll go backwards. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey! Oh, look! I was just gonna say I'm getting thirsty, but look at what it is. Whoa, candy, colorful candy. Yum! I just want to eat all of them. But let's go see if they'll sink or float. All right, here we go. Look at what we missed. Whoa. Yeah, some office supplies. We have a stapler, a blue stapler, and a rubber band ball. Watch this. Watch out. I almost got you. All right. Let's go see what else we can find. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa! This is awesome! Whoa! Whoa! Gotta go off-roading over here. Whoa! Yeah! My big tires on this hoverboard made me go out in the grass. And speaking of big tires, yeah! A monster truck. I wonder if that will sink or float. Let's go. Yeah! Oh, that's so silly. Come on. Whoa. Oh, look, another item. Ooh, it's a smiley face with a tongue. What's inside? Whoa, a bunch of rocks. I bet I know if that will sink or float. But we gotta test it. Let's put it in here and let's go find some more items. All right. Yeah. Wait a second, come over here. Look. Yeah. You know what this is? It's a scrubby dubby. Yeah. It tickles. And I'm all clean. I use this in the bathtub to get nice and clean. I wonder if that will sink or float. Okay, let's go find some more. Whee. Whoa, look down there. You see all those rocks? I'm gonna get off the hoverboard and go check it out. Come with me. Look at these big rocks. I bet those would sink. I bet there's some cool items over here. Whoa. There's so many trees and everything. Look at this. Wow. A colorful shape. Do you know what shape this is? Wow. Yeah. That is a star. Ooh, they're like cookie cutters. Whoa. Whoa. So colorful. All right. Let's put them in the tote so we can see if they'll sink or float. Ooh. Whoa, look at this over here. Do you see the monkey? Yeah, it's a monkey. Look. He's so cute. I wonder if he'll sink or float. All right, let's go see if all of these items sink or float. Let's go. Look at all of our items. I think this is the perfect time to put all of the items in the tank so we can see what ones go to the bottom and sink and what ones stay up the top and float. All right, let's see what we have here. Ooh, the scrubby dubby. Ooh, now that I'm all clean, let's see if this sinks or floats. I think I know. Ready? Whoa, look at it. Yeah, it floats. Whoa, hello. Okay, what else do we have here? Ooh, we have the marbles. Okay, got the marbles. So let's open them up and see if they sink or float. All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa. Yeah! Look at them! They sink! Okay, what else? I love this. This is so much fun. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh! Whoa! Oh, look at this face. Okay, an egg with some rocks in it. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I was wrong. I thought that was gonna sink because it had really heavy rocks in it. But look, it floats. Whoa! Okay, what else do we have? Oh, hey! Remember these? Yeah. A bunch of stars. All right, here we go. Let's throw them in. Whoa, they float as well. Wow, we have 3 floating things and then 1 sinking thing. All right, what else do we have here? Ooh, a stapler and a rubber band ball. The office supplies. Watch this, it bounces. Okay, bye-bye, stapler. Whoa! Yeah, the stapler sinks. All right, well, I wonder about the rubber band ball. I wonder if it's gonna sink or if it's gonna float. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Wow! That floats! Whoa! Ooh! So many rubber bands on that rubber band ball. Okay, what else do we have? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Monster truck. All right. Whoa! That floats! Yeah! It looks like it wants to sink, but the reason why it's floating is because of the tires. They're full of air. Whoa! The big tires. All right, we have a couple more items. Let's see. Ooh, remember the monkey? Yeah, the monkey bank. You can put coins in here. A couple more. All right, let's see if it sinks or floats. Whoa, it floats! But I wonder if we fill it up with water. Yeah! Look at it! It was hollow on the inside, so when we filled it up with water, it went to the bottom, so it sinks. Oh, and look! The monster truck is on the bottom. Huh, I wonder why. I wonder if the tires of the monster truck filled up with water as well. Okay, couple more things. Slime, yeah. And colorful candy. Let's do the slime, shall we? Let's open it up. Whoa, look at it. Whoa. Ooh, feels so funny. And it smells funny too. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! The slime went to the bottom. So the slime sinks. All right. Last but not least, I think we should do the colorful candy. Here we go. Whoa! All the candy went to the bottom, so that means it sinks. Oh, hey, what about some mallows? Let's see if they sink or float. Okay, yep, just have my mallows. I love mallows. Ooh, some blue lint from my shirt. All right, ready? Here we go. Whoa! Oh yeah, look at them. Whoa, they're all floating. Wow. Wow, that was so cool seeing what items sink and what items float. But before we go, I have a special surprise. Whoa, some magical vials. This magical vial has some slime powder that's purple. It has a lot of it. And this magical vial has some purple slime powder with just a little bit in it. I think we should pour them in. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Did you see that? That's magical. Now we should stir it up and make some slime. Whoa! Look! Whoa! See the monster truck? Whoa! And the monkey! Hello! Oh, and the face that's loading. Hello! Alright, whoa. It's so slimy now. Whoa. Well, that was so much fun gathering items with you and seeing what ones sink or float. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Do you know my name? Yeah, it's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey parents, if your youngster loves my videos, be sure to click that big red subscribe button so you can be notified when I have a brand new video. Alright, bye-bye.